In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export conversations in Help Scout. While Help Scout doesn't offer a one-click export of full conversation threads from the conversation view, you can still get structured data about your conversations by exporting from the Reports section. This is ideal for analysis, sharing performance metrics, and archiving high-level information. Keep in mind, this export includes reporting data, things like counts, response times, and categories, not the full message body text. Start by heading to the Reports section in your Help Scout account. You'll find it in the main navigation. Reports are where Help Scout aggregates activity across your mailboxes and channels, which makes them the right place to pull data out in a clean, downloadable format. Next, choose the report that best fits what you want to analyze. All channels is a great overview when you want a broad picture. If your focus is email activity specifically, the email report will narrow your export to that channel. Your choice here determines the columns and metrics you'll see in the downloaded file, so pick the one that matches your goal. Now set your date range and apply any filters you need. This is where you make the export truly useful. Choose the time frame you care about, whether that's last week, last month, or a custom range. Then refine with filters to include only certain mailboxes, tags, or teams. The tighter your filters, the more targeted and manageable your export will be, and it will also reduce processing time for larger accounts. When your report looks right on screen, click the Export or Print icon. From the export options, choose the format you prefer, CSV or XLSX. CSV is a versatile plain text format that works with nearly every spreadsheet tool and data pipeline. XLSX is the native Excel format and can preserve some additional structure that's convenient for Excel users. Pick what aligns with how you plan to analyze or share the data. After you confirm the export, Help Scout will email you a link to download the file. This usually arrives within a few minutes, depending on the size of your dataset. Keep an eye on the inbox associated with your Help Scout account and check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it right away. That's it. By using reports, choosing the right report type, dialing in your date range and filters, selecting CSV or XLSX, and then grabbing the download link from your email, you'll have a clean export of your conversation data ready for analysis.